This is Let Us Eat. I'm Suzanne Ridgway and welcome back to my channel. This is my Dollar Tree Empties video. I have a pile of empties on the side of me here. In a moment we're going to go through each and every one of them and what we like about it or what we didn't like about it to help you get an idea of what's worth $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. But first, smash on that subscribe button, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. I have showed you this before. It is the taco seasoning by Ortega that they carry. If you're at the Dollar Tree, buy it there. Don't go out of your way to save 20, 30 cents because you're going to spend that in fuel. Always factor in gas prices. I preach this all the time. And pick it up at the Dollar Tree if you're not at Walmart. I don't know what it is at Walmart. It's now, last I looked, it was, I think, 87 cents. It may be higher now because everything's crazy, going through the roof. I get it at the Dollar Tree, especially if I'm not going to any other stores. That way I have it. And then I'm not driving, wasting my fuel just to save 30 cents. I put this in 2 weeks ago, and it is still going. It lasts about a month, and this is the name brand. It is the Dropins by Scrubbing Bubbles. 1 tablet. Lasts up to 4 weeks. So I'll let you know in my next Empties video if it did last up to the entire 4 weeks that the contents in the box says. And it keeps my toilet clean in between cleaning. I like that. My husband had a change on his mouthwash recently, and this is Lavora's Fresh Breath. It's decent. It has a good flavor. It reminds me of Big Red Cinnamon Gum, or one of those red hot fireballs when you were kids. They're like this big now. When I was a kid, they were like big, barely fit in your mouth. This is what the bottle looks like. He's been buying this for a few years now because they don't carry the other one anymore. It is 16.9 full ounces. I just finished up one of my smaller LA's Totally Awesome in the orange. It's all purpose. This is 22 ounces. They now have the full size of 32 ounces, so look for those. If you want, you can keep this bottle and the nozzle and put the refills in it, and that way you can spray as you clean. That one's not going down to the recycle bin. This is the packet from their onion soup mix. I purchased Lipton recently, a case of it at my bulk store BJ's. And you get 3 packets per box, and the packets are slightly bigger than the Dollar Tree. If you're looking to save money, you can go to the bulk store and buy it there. But again, always factor in the gas prices. Dollar Tree carries a 3-pack of the onion soup mix now when they have it available. I like both brands. The only reason why we picked up the Lipton is because we had money off and they were on sale. And we got a really great buy, a case of them for around $5. That was a huge savings. I love the pea to ravioli, and this is the jumbo round cheese ravioli. It is 13 ounces. This is what the package looks like if you have a frozen freezer department at the Dollar Tree. I did a Dollar Tree dinner with them recently, and it was really, really good. The egg noodles have gone up in price, and I think Walmart is more expensive now, last checked, than the Dollar Tree. They're $1.25 on their egg noodles. This is a good enriched egg noodle by Columbia, and it is a 12-ounce bag. And that is what the package looks like. All that's going to go in my recycle bin, except for the orange bottle there. These are their beef patties, and I use them in a ton of my Dollar Tree dinners that require a beef for the type of dinner I'm making. It is real beef. It is not 80% lean or 70% lean or organic, but it is real beef, and it is 8 ounces, 0.5 pounds. And they also have a bacon cheddar one if you wanted to do a hamburger helper with that one as well. That would be good. I love their pepper stir fries. They also have onion slices in it. And they do have red, yellow, and green and orange pepper slices. This is a 12-ounce bag. That is a good buy. Bell peppers in the wintertime are not in season in New York State, so I keep frozen ones on hand. And I do in the summertime as well, unless the actual bell peppers themselves, the tricolor packs, usually come in a 3 or a 4-pack, are on sale. This is the fudge brownies. It is a 10.25 ounce bag. It's made with real Dutch cocoa, and I recently did homemade Little Debbie brownies with sprinkles on it. My kids love them, and we had them in their lunches for a couple days after that. But if you're at Walmart, grab the bigger bag because it's a better buy. I just did a video for breakfast with some of my Dollar Tree items that I had in my freezer that I wanted to use before the expiration date went on them because they've been in the freezer for quite a while. This is premium bacon. It is by Farmer John. It is 3 ounces. You get about 4 slices. It is really good. In the video, unfortunately, it burned. So when you cook it for around 9 to 10 minutes, and it'll come out perfect. And I put this in the egg casserole, the sausage links. They're fully cooked sausages by Farmer John's. They're delicious. You get quite a bit in a package. If you have a larger family, 2 boxes would be perfect. 2 packages is perfect for my family. You'll get 8 slices. We usually do 2 per person. You don't need any more than that. Bacon's not that healthy, but it is a delicious treat. I recently colored my hair, and I trimmed the bangs in the back a little bit. And this is the color Easy that the Dollar Tree has been carrying forever. And I touched up my hair, and it came out really nice. And it's a nice full color, no roots. Does a great job. If you have longer hair, 2 boxes. This is the Prego that they carry. It is 1 pound. It's garlic and herb. I use it in my Dollar Tree dinners with the hamburger helpers and other sauce-based meals. And this is the Hunt's pasta sauce. It is their meat sauce, also 1 pound, that they also carry. So you have your choice between Prego and Hunt's, 2 well-known name brands. Walmart is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Factor in gas prices when you travel. The Prego and Hunt's is cheaper at Walmart. But if you're not in an area where you have a Costco's, a Walgreens, a Dollar Tree, and a supermarket all in one area and you have to drive further, buy it at the Dollar Tree because you're going to be spending that extra money in fuel. And you don't want to do that in today's economy. And the last item I have is the Green Giant Mixed Vegetable Blend. This is another well-known product. They have a ton of Green Giant vegetables available at the Dollar Tree. Again, cheaper at Walmart, but factor in that gas price. If you're at an area where you're going to go to multiple stores regardless and not have to drive everywhere, then save your money and buy it at Walmart or whatever store is on sale. But if you're at a Dollar Tree and the other stores are 10-15 minutes away, don't go out of your way. Buy it at the Dollar Tree. It is 15 ounces, and I use this in soups, stews, and casseroles. And I also have frozen mixed vegetables. I use both as well as fresh when I have fresh available. Fresh is sometimes expensive, and a lot of it, because I'm in a winter state, and it's cold here, sometimes till June. We've had snow in June before in New York. And vegetables, especially fresh, aren't easily available to us to get, except for at the supermarkets, and sometimes the prices are just really high. That is it for this Dollar Tree Empties video. I hope you enjoyed all of the products that I showed you and shared with you. The hair color, I've been buying it for years. I love it. I don't go to the salon for that kind of thing because you're saving yourself money if you can do it and do a good job. And it came out really nice. I recently posted some professional headshots. I do photography, so I did my own headshots of my hair being done so I can update my profile picture and everything on Facebook as well as YouTube and other social medias that I belong to. Before we go, did you smash on that subscribe button? Don't forget to tap on that bell. I do these Dollar Tree Empties at least twice a month. Once at the beginning of the month, once towards the middle of the month, sometimes towards the end of the month, depending on how many I have available, for your convenience, so you can have an idea of what to look for at the Dollar Tree and what is worth $1.25, at least in my opinion. And you can decide for yourself. And if you found something and tried it, please email me and let me know your experience, whether it was good or bad, and I can post it in my group. And if I get enough videos, I will read all those emails on a separate video for everybody to enjoy. Don't forget about our giveaways. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. All that information is down below. Must be United States residents. Must be already subscribed. If you're new, comment and say hi.